Realme Watch S Pro launch teased. Realme Watch S Pro teaser shared by the company and its India and Europe CEO, Madhav Sheth, confirmed that the watch will be launched in India soon. It is expected to come along with the Realme Watch S. One of the teasers shared on Twitter by the company and Sheth shows the Realme Watch S Pro, alongside a second watch expected to be the Realme Watch S. Sheth also shared a picture sporting the Realme Watch S Pro, where it can be seen with a purple dial. In another tweet, he uploaded a picture with the design prototypes that the company considered for the Realme Watch S Pro. While an official date for the launch of the Realme Watch S Pro in India hasn't been revealed yet, a teaser shared by the company confirms that a launch event is coming soon, which will also be live-streamed. The smartwatch hasn't been launched in any other markets, either. A tweet from Realme CEO Madhav Sheth gives us a glimpse of the Realme Watch S Pro, which he says will be the company's first premium and high-end smartwatch. Another tweet from Sheth shows a bunch of designs that he says the company considered for the Realme Watch S Pro. Realme Watch S Pro was announced by the company at IFA 2020 a few months back. It was said to be revealed later this year. At the time of announcement, it was confirmed that the Realme Watch S Pro will come with a round dial and an AMOLED display. A US FCC listing had revealed in September that the smartwatch will feature a 1.39-inch Touch AMOLED display and a 420 mAh battery. The Realme Watch S Pro is listed to offer step tracking, distance tracking, calorie measurement, and dynamic heart rate monitoring. The listing also indicated that the wearable would have an automatic activity tracker as well as sleep monitoring. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.